Second floor. Ground floor.
Annex into a parlor atrium of a shopping lot and into the next, which is another side GZMRL.
First floor. Ground floor.
I don't know whether that kind of that is interrupting with my camera. Anyways, and now to the next lift, as there's another lift to go down to the car park, and it is another site GZMRL, which was the last lift that the last lift that of the car park. I don't know if I filmed this live when I did a tour around here with Mushroom back in 2016. I don't know.
Ground floor.
Oh look, I am back to the ground floor and now to the next building, and the lift is another stupid generic. Oh well, this is the last generic that I'm going to ride in this shopping village. So there is another that will go next.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
So keep.
Doors opening.
Oh, whoops.
Going up.
Oh, this lift doesn't have door close button.
Mind the doors. Doors closing.
Hehe. So keep it in my own goddamn business.
Floor 1. Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up.
And now into another two. Oh, it was the same man. I just got it confused. I'm just not really sure. I'm just very confused. Confused on areas that I want to go on this shopping village. So here is the next area. Oh, there's. So there, I think there was a stupid generic. So anyways, back into the start and into a very big shopping center. And first the lift in H&M and into the lifts in this shopping center, which are some nice Electra lifts. These lifts are like the Otis lifts, but that is That is Maddie 72, just like kind of the Otis lift. But these lifts have a different shine.
קומה ראשונה.
Which I don't understand that kind of boys that the lift has.
קומה אפס.
And now to the main lifts, which are more electro lifts.
קומה אחת. קומה מינוס אחת.
And now, let's go down to the spooky car park. Let's go along and see what look it is. This car park is very nice and cool. And then I just see there's these nice lifts in Piano Shopping Village. As I would use this car park. This is so spooky. And now, as at this time of night, I am now in the car park at this time of night. So here the entrances of the lift that I ride in. This car park is very, very long and very complicated. As I did not know, this is another place for cars. This car park is so long and complicated. And there's the son of an eco disc. And now, as I am back, let's go run in the basement like a man person. And now I'm back in the lift. And now to the service lift. Let's run it.
قوانين أحد. كمان أحد.
In the second floor, there's a roof. Wow, this is so nice.
لا أسف.
And now carrying along the I meant to say, and now carrying along the village. So anyways, and now let's go run the village like a man person. And now into a very nice posh building, into the lift to the car park. In this building, the lifts are very nice eco-discs. No time. Oh no. Oh, I'm not